My daughter asked me to make a lake house sign as a gift for her friend. The problem is, I don't own a CNC. So I had to go old school to do this. A stencil and a router with an 1/8 inch spiral bit cutting these letters out by hand. This took about 4 hours to route out, and I was holding my breath halfway through, hoping not to make a mistake. I decided to fill these letters with black epoxy instead of painting them. Epoxy shrinks as it cures, so you have to account for this. I'm using fast-drying caulk around the letters to act as a dam and to keep the epoxy above the surface as it dries.